Last video, we learned an introduction to integers and we learned how to add and subtract on a number line. Now we're going to learn integers, how to add and subtract in advance. So without further ado, let's get along with the video. So first, we're going to do addition. So the first example we have here is when our sum has the same sign. When we have the same sign, we have to add the absolute values and use the common sign. So this might seem overwhelming when you see it, but it's quite easy. So let's do it. So here we have -5 plus -6. As you see, they have the same symbol, which is a negative symbol. And we have to add them together. All we have to do is add them like normal, 5 plus 6, and add the common sign. What's the common sign? Minus, because both of them have the symbol, the negative symbol in common. So I'll put the negative symbol here, and all we have to do is plus these two numbers and put the answer here. That's it. So let's do it. What's 5 plus 6? That's quite easy. It's 11. Did you get it? Good, because we're going to move into the next sum. Now let's see what happens if we have different signs. For example, here, this is a positive integer and this is a negative integer. What do we do? Well, when we have different signs, we have to subtract numbers and put the greater numbers sign. So let's split this in half. First, let's subtract the numbers. Let's forget about the integers. Let's imagine all we're doing is 14 minus 7. First, what's 14 minus 7? 14 minus 7. What is it? 7. Now we have the answer 7. But now, what's the next bit? And put the greater number sign. So which is greater, 14 or 7? 14, right? Is 14 a positive integer or a negative integer? Positive integer. So we don't have to put any symbol, it's just 7. So 14 plus minus 7 is plus 7 or positive 7. We did it! Now let's do another sum with different signs. But this time it's quite the opposite. Minus 50 or negative 50 plus positive 30. What do we have to do first? We have to subtract the numbers. So what we're going to do is 50 minus 30. And what's the answer? 20. Now we have to compare 50 and 30, which is greater. 50. So now we go back to the original sum and see what integer or symbol the number 50 has. It has a negative symbol, so we have to put the negative symbol here too. Now we're going to see what additive inverse means. If you remember, in the last video we did a sum like this. -6 plus 6. And what was the answer? It was 0. So first let's see what an additive inverse is. Additive inverse is a fancy word that just means opposite. Really, people? You had to make it this difficult? So what's the opposite of -6? It's +6. What's the inverse or opposite of -80? +80. That's simple. If we add additive inverses together, the answer will be always 0. So now let's move into subtraction. Let's do the first sum. So we have -6 minus 3. So what we have to do is, because we can't do this directly because it'll be very confusing. So what we have to do is -6 plus -3. This makes things easier. So we've already done adding same signs. What do we do? Place the common sign, which is the negative symbol, and then we add them like normal. What's 6 plus 3? 9. So we put 9 here. That was easy, wasn't it? Let's do the next one. So let's read it. 4 minus negative 2. So this is a tricky one because as you see, you've got 2 negative symbols. When 2 negative symbols join together, they make addition. So these are 2 negative symbols, they form an addition symbol. So what this sum has turned out to be is 4 plus 2. Our normal addition, 4 plus 2. So just remember, when there are 2 lines, put them together and make them an addition symbol. So 4 plus 2, what's 4 plus 2? Easy, 6. So that's all. That's all. Okay, now let's go on to the next one. 18 minus 24. As you can see, 18 is smaller than 24 and we can't subtract directly. So what we have to do is 18 plus minus 24. Understood? Now what we have to do is our normal addition with different signs. First, what do? First, we subtract these 2 numbers. So it's 24 minus 18. What's 24 minus 18? It's 6. So we have the number 6 down. So now what do? We have to figure out what symbol this has to go in. So which is greater, 24 or 18? 24. So now let's move on to the original sum and see. 18 plus minus 24. So 24 has a negative integer, so the answer will have a negative integer too. So the answer is minus 6. Yippee! We did it! Hope you liked the video and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to both my channels, Learning Time with Dyuti and of course my other channel, Reading Time with Dyuti. So see you later. Bye!